I really hope y'all can't hear my roommate's music because I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but I need to do this intro. Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. I just want to start by saying that I am so grateful. I'm almost at 100 subscribers and I'm just happy about it. But yeah, so one of my favorite YouTubers is Ericka J. Like, I follow her on Instagram. I watch her YouTube videos. Like, she's kind of like my inspiration, low-key. So of course I want to support her business. So I bought her Hold Me Down Adhesive, which is lace glue, and I wanted to test it out. So I also did the new bald cap method, where you guys will see me doing this video, but I'm not sure if she created it, but that's who I saw do it first, so I'm gonna just say like it's inspired by her. But yeah, so in this video basically I'll be doing the new bald cap method, which I believe is inspired by Ericka J, and then I'll also be doing a review of the Hold Me Down adhesive. Well, kind of not a review, but just showing you guys like how it's applied. I basically followed the steps that she did in her video. I'm just gonna say I really like this glue. When I first put it on, like you guys will see like in the video, like when I first put the glue on, like I felt like it was like literally stuck to my scalp. I was like I could literally feel it, but it was crazy. But yeah, so if you want to see how I did this install using the Hold Me Down adhesive and the new bald cap method, then stay tuned. Alright y'all, so here is the adhesive that we will be using by Ericka J. We're just going to start off by putting some alcohol on top of our cap, and I usually don't do that, but I'm trying to do it like step by step from what she did in her video, and that's what she did, so that is why I did that. So now you just see me applying the lace glue directly to the bald cap and just smoothing it out. And I'm just cutting off these like just a little slit by the ear so that way it can lay flat. On this side I ended up cutting off too much because my hair was showing, but on the other side I did it pretty well. But yeah, so we're just going to keep on putting it along your hairline and smoothing it out and just wait for it to dry, and I'm only going to do one layer of this. So now that the glue is all the way dry, you're going to cut it off just like you would any other bald cap, starting in the middle and then cutting along the sides and then just cutting it straight down, holding the scissors flat so that way you can get every little piece. And just try to cut off as much as you can of those extra little pieces that you just saw me cutting off. And don't forget to cut off the back because that will show in your wig. So now, just regular bald cap steps. You're going to apply your foundation color everywhere on the front of the, I was going to say what's the name, the bald cap. And then just take it back behind your hairline, do it down the middle or the side, whichever way your part is going to be going. My part will be down the middle, so that's why I'm going all the way back there with the makeup. And it was just crazy to me because I kind of looked bald for a second, just for a little second though. But yeah, so now you're just going to take your alcohol, clean off your forehead, and prepare your skin for the lace. And this step is crucial because if your skin is oily, the lace will not stay on as long. Oil removes glue, so that's why you have to put on the alcohol. And now here is the Hold Me Down adhesive. I'm just putting it on dots along the whole perimeter of the bald cap. So in her video, this is what she did. So she put like 3 layers on the perimeter of the bald cap where your hairline would be. And then after this, you know what, I'm just let y'all see, but for now, just put 3 layers along the edge of the bald cap. So after you do your 3 layers, you're gonna pull your wig down to where you want it to lay. So usually when we're installing a wig, we would put our hairline right where we put the glue, but you're not gonna do that. You're just gonna place the wig wherever you want it to be. And then afterwards, we're gonna go in and fix those pieces that are sticking up.
I just have to pause my music right now and show y'all, like, this thing, like, it feels like what? Like, I don't even know what to say, like, that's why I keep saying like, because it's just crazy. Like, if you can feel the hole, like, I can actually feel the hole, like, I can feel that it's, like, attached to my scalp right now, like, that's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna let this voiceover continue.
And the reason why Ericka J did this in her video is to prevent the wig from sliding back. So that layer that's directly on the bald cap, that's going to keep your wig in place. So with having that there to keep your wig in place and then gluing down the hairline, that'll make sure that your wig does not move. So that's why I'm doing it like this. And again, I'm just doing it step by step from her video because it is her product, so I just want to make sure that I'm doing it correctly and using the product correctly. And I'm just gonna use about 2 layers to do this front portion, like 2 to 3. And it's so much better to use a metal tip rat tail comb when you're installing a lace. I was just too lazy to look for my metal tip one, but I should have. And when you do yours, use a metal tip comb. So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. This is laid, it's scalp, period. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll have everything linked in the description box. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a blessed day.